couldn't get these guys to stay away.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Hi, little sweetie
We
peas.
had to have them cut into little tiny chunks.
Oh.
Jack does that for these guys.
Look at you. You got some beautiful wings. How are you, little pretty bird? Hi, sweetie.
Can you see the purple on the chest?
I'm gonna come around behind you this way. Okay.
Fine.
Hello, pretty. Trying to get a little bit better lighting. Oh, look. Oh, wow. You came to see me? Hi, beautiful. Oh, my gosh, guys. All right. So here we are. Fabulous hawk's head. Look how interesting. So I know the lighting is not great because we did have sunshine. Hi, pretty. But the bird is helping me out. So we've got, looks like grayish color. And then Larry pointed out, wow. Thank you so much, beautiful bird. You are so pretty. We're signing off live over at Jack's. It's Karen Moritz. Have a great day.